Hi all. Hi all. We are here to explain you another live experiment of Rekatil's telemetry system, where we have added some more features, multiple cameras for driver assistance as well as its live safety purposes. So this time we are adding two cameras, and one for the front up and second for the live tracking of driver. So this camera will be used for checking whether the driver is like checking the drowsiness of the system driver, and the second one will be having for the live coverage from the road. And another setup is this is the OBD connected to this system, which is taking our all inputs, and it has some internal GSM modules and other calculation processes to calculate all the things, and as well as it will also help to send the data on the server. We have an RFID system also which help us to start the vehicle, and the same system we can use for other fast track systems and other road text managements. So now we are going to start the vehicle with this card only. Okay, the vehicle is ready. Now we can move, and now we'll show you a live demo of will be reaching to a safer location. I will show you the functioning of drowsiness as well as the SOS button also. Okay, I think we are on the safer side now. Roads are empty only mostly. With the lower speed we can check the drowsiness of the sun. So you can show out to this, and you can focus on me also. If I am closing my seeing my face is drowsy, so I will be getting alerts on the my server. Like if I stop my I'm riding it is very slowly. If I make it, so I will be getting alerts on my servers, so that fleet owners can be seeing and manage it. We can add other features or safety as per government combinations, but this is like right now we are getting alert on the server. Okay, we have one SOS system also on the board. If we press it, it will give a alert to fleet owner. So these are all the features we are carrying, and other things like GPS tracking system, and the complete journey of this demo will be also having our RPM meter, speedometer, as well as the vehicle ran. So all those things also will be captured and sent to the fleet owner on the server side, and it can be easily seen on the dashboards.